Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Current time is 9:41 Central, 10:41 East. Main concern for Wednesday is actually fronts, pressure fronts. And as you can see, we have a ton of high pressure fronts, but we also have a few low pressure fronts. Now, if these two fronts mix before Wednesday, that could, and in fact might even will, create a high wind threat. Now for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we are only under a slight risk for right now. I don't expect that to go up to a moderate, maybe a marginal, but that's about it. But yeah, if these high pressure fronts and low pressure fronts mix, yeah, we could be in for a lot of wind. In fact, it could even create damaging wind gusts. If you want more content like this, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Maybe even throw a subscribe out there. And maybe even a follow on TikTok. It really helps me out. It helps me get the word out around the world. Anyway, this is Storm Spotter Aces saying good night, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.